Hello everyone, I'm Billy. This time, I'm not going to talk about remote control cars. Instead, I'm going to talk about remote control airplanes. So why did I bring out this airplane? This airplane is from less than 10 years ago. I bought it on Taobao, and after buying it, I assembled it myself. After finishing it, I really wanted to fly it, but I never quite got around to it. I just went to Clearwater Bay and also saw two seniors who used to play with airplanes together. So I chatted with those two seniors. And later on, you'll see the situation of our conversation. I'll talk more about those airplanes with everyone later. Well, I am fortunate to be here at Clearwater Bay and see two airplane enthusiasts flying what seems to be a glider. I would like to ask, how heavy is this glider? Does it weigh 2 kilograms? Including the total weight. For flying, it's less than 2 kilograms. What is this called, may I ask? Is it from Taobao? Yes, it is from Taobao. But it should be a product from the TGR factory. Okay, it's a competition machine. It should belong to a type that is 2 meters long, powered. The tail of the plane is a V-tail, right? This type is the fastest, and these machines have higher agility and speed, right? Okay, so now I see that the tail is very straight without any dihedral or anything like that. Exactly. Why do they do it this way? Is it because they want to enhance the agility of the aircraft and also because the drag is relatively lower? Yes, with lower drag, there's a wingtip that might curve upwards. The ones you play with. There's another type that has a house-like structure. Those are more suitable for beginners who are just starting to turn to this type, making it easier to handle. Yes, this is indeed difficult to control, but it reacts quickly, which is good. Wow, so today, can we do it without power? Yes, today we can, even if it's for a long time. There's no need for it. Today, there's already enough wind. Actually, how strong is the wind today? Is it level 3 or level 2? It's level 3 over level 3. Yes, it's level 3 wind, so there's no need to turn it on much. That's why you said it wasn't very hot. Maybe that's the reason. All right, the small motor is okay. Thank you very much. I'll continue to talk about this game to let people know and promote it. After chatting with them, I immediately had the urge to reach out to them for help again. Starting up and landing the plane, now let's try connecting the plane again to see if it moves. I tried it earlier and it should work. So then, let's connect it properly. Now, reconnect the remote control. It should move. Let's see. Or you could say it's okay. Put the cover back on. It's quite cramped inside, so everything must be done. Well, if something gets stuck, it could be a big problem. So before you head to Clearwater Bay, you need to make sure the plane is operating as usual. Otherwise, it's a waste of time. This is about using the aileron together with the set to turn. Many people don't know that this is used for turning. They think it's just for tilting the plane. Actually, after tilting the plane, you use the elevator to turn, which is called Allen. I wonder what this is. Huh? How many tail drugs are moving here? This is the elevator. It's the aileron. Only. People think it's for ascending and descending, but actually, it's the sideways plane. This is for turning. People think this is for turning, but actually the rudder is still moving. It's just to make the plane move. That is, it tilts the nose of the plane. But it's hard to use it for turning if you just move this thing. The plane might not turn, just fly at a slant. So don't get confused about this. It seems these three things are okay, no big issues. There are also some buttons. Let's see what they do at that time. This button is to deploy the flaps. meaning the flaps go down. The elevator goes up, which slows down the plane, though it's unclear if it's useful. For such a small plane, people might say there's no need to consider so many things. What kind of fried fish is this? Let's see. I don't have a program, nothing at all. Oh, I don't even remember. I think that's about it. The operation is like that. So after much effort, this plane might have a chance to fly again. Is there a chance? It can fly 0 to 1 times. I remember a friend once said that a remote-controlled plane might fly 0 to 1 times, meaning it crashes on the first flight. That's life. Many times you fail on the first try, but don't get discouraged so quickly. Actually, I've flown many planes. This one? Yes. I've flown over a dozen planes, so I hope this one lasts longer. It's hard to say, but first let me clarify with everyone, including the 2 gentlemen named Y. We've talked, and they said safety is the most important thing. If you have insurance, that's best. If not, make sure to play safely with them and ensure your own safety. Make sure everyone around you is safe. That's all I have to say for now. If there are any video clips of the plane flying, I'll share them with everyone. Bye-bye.